Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why is Apple Maps not working. Firstly, I recommend to open Apple Maps and check if you have audio enabled. Maybe you just turn off it, so just increase the volume. Also, maybe the problem that you mute the sound. So in the Apple Maps, select some direction, let's say to work, and then we have mods. So first let's check it for the car. As you can see, we have the right side speaker icon. Just make sure that you unmute it, and you should do this for all mods. So if we select walking, I unmuted for the car, but for walking, as you can see, I still have it muted. So again, unmute. Also, right here we have when you unmuted, we have three options: softer volume, normal, or louder. So just select normal or louder. Also, maybe the problem is you connect your headphones or something else, so you can check it if you move to the settings and to the Bluetooth. So check, maybe you have connection with your headphones or speaker or something else. Then I recommend it to firstly remove Apple Maps from this application list and open it. Also, maybe you need to restart your device. So I use Apple Maps with my iPhone. I need to restart this iPhone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. Sometimes this problem because of your internet connection. So make sure that you have stable internet connection. Maybe you need to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. The last one is I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open settings, then click at the general. In the general we have software update. Up at this line you check for updates, and if you haven't the latest software version, I recommend it to update. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!